Good evening everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be very much fine and must be enjoying the winter season. So, today we will do the poem A Boy Song. First, we will do the introduction of the poet. So, this poem is written by Henry Charles Ritchie. So, this is the picture of the poet. You can see this. So Henry Charles Ritchie was a British clergyman, author and poet who was Dean of Norwich from 1911 to 1990, and he was born on 1859 in England, died on 25 of Feb 1990, same place, United Kingdom. And his nationality was English, like your nationality is Indian and he was English. Parents JPG Ritchie, and he has received education from City of London School. So before we start to recite the poem, let me tell you in this poem you will read about how the boy is very much excited while riding a bicycle on a downhill. You must have ridden a bicycle at this age, and I don't know whether you have ever ridden a bicycle on a hill area, but you must have ridden a cycle on a plain area. So with lifted feet, hands step and poised and down the hill, dark with heedful mind, the air goes by in a wind, swifter and yet more swift, till the heart with a mighty lift makes the lungs laugh, the throat cry, "Oh birds, see, birds, I fly." Is this your joy? So in this stanza, the poet means the narrator, he is describing the incident that my feet are lifted, means my feet are in the air, my hands are also in the air, and I'm riding a bicycle. Although this pose is very much risky, you should not try this. You should ride a bicycle with the hands on the handle only and feet on the pedal only. So he is riding a bicycle. Now he is saying that, but my mind is attentive, my mind is aware. Heedful means attentive, aware. My mind is very much aware, and I can feel the air crossing my body. Obviously, when you go against the air, you feel the force of the air. That air pushes you back. So you also feel the same. This feeling can be felt by the students who have ever ridden bicycle. So now he is saying that my heart and my lungs are laughing with the more and more speed. Although lungs and heart cannot laugh, but he feels that with this wind, my external organs are happy as well as my internal organs are also very much happy. I'm like shouting. I want to shout. The throat cry means I want to shout. Now he is asking from the birds, when you fly, you also feel the same joy? The joy that I am feeling right now? Oh bird, then I throw a boy for a golden moment, share your feathery life in the air. Say heart, is there aught like this in a world that is full of bliss? 'Tis more than skating bounds, steel sure to the level ground. Now he is asking from the bird that the feathery life means they have a wings now. So you enjoy the wings, you enjoy the feathery life in the blue sky. In the same way, I'm enjoying the golden moment while riding a bicycle. He's saying that yes, I do skating, but skating doesn't give me that pleasure. That pleasure is felt by this riding bicycle on the downhill with a good wind. Speed slackens now. Slacken means reduce, means decrease. seconds now. I float a while in my airy boat. Airy boat means cycle. Till when the wheels cars crawl, my feet to the treadles fall. Alas, that the longest hill must stand in a whale. Whale means valley, but still who climbs with toil, toil means with very much hard work. Wheresoever shall find wings waiting there. So in the concluding stanza, the poet is saying that everything has come to an end. So my journey is also has the ending. I will have to go back now. That is why I have decreased my speed, and I will have to go back. Now he is saying that there will be no person who would not like to enjoy such a adventurous and thrilling journey. I hope you must have understood the poem. In the Zoom class we will discuss it again. Thank you so much and have a nice day.